to answer the formula. Okay. Good afternoon. I hope you are thorough with the formula. Okay, we have learned the set of formulas in the last class. Is that? Sine of 180 plus theta, sine of 180 minus theta, like that we have learned. Ready? Okay, if I give a specific angle, can you mention in which quadrant it will come? Okay, is it possible? Yes, okay. So, John Philip, what is sine of 180 plus theta?
Minus sine theta.
Minus sine theta, correct. Anashwarya, cos 270 plus theta. Cos 270 plus theta.
Sine theta.
It is sine theta, yes. Anaga, cos 360 minus theta. Minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta.
Cos theta, ma'am.
It is cos theta. Niranjan, tan of 90 plus theta.
Negative cot theta.
It is negative cot theta. Navrin, sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta.
Minus sine theta.
Minus sine theta. Alan Joffe, cos of 90 plus theta.
Sine theta.
90 plus theta, yes?
Sine theta.
Minus sine theta. Okay, sine also we have to check. It will be minus sine. 90 plus means it will be coming in the second quadrant, and cos is negative. Okay. Aman Farhan, cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta.
Ma'am, I was absent in the last class.
See, go through the recorded class. Okay, it is important. What you have discussed in that class are very important. So you have not only this term, next year, the whole chapter will be based on that form. Everything will be based on, we'll be using all these conversions. That is very important. Alantina, answer this question, Alantina.
Will you repeat the question?
Cos of 180 minus theta.
Minus cos theta.
Minus cos theta, yes, correct. Tom Sebastian, sine of 180 minus theta.
Sine theta.
Minus sine theta. Okay. Okay, now, okay. And you solved all those questions that gave us homework. Did you try that questions? Now write the next heading. Next heading. Trigonometric functions of sum and differences of two angles. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference, SUM. Sum and difference of two angles. Sum and differences of two angles. So in order to find out the sum and difference, we are going to learn one set of formula. Okay, now listen. Listen, all of you. Now itself, you have to learn it. Okay, we are going to learn 8 formulas. Okay, so first we are going to learn first set 8 formulas we are going to learn. Listen, all of you. Sine of first one is sine of a plus b. Instead of a plus b, sometimes in your book it will be x plus y, whatever it may be. Okay. Sum of the angles, if you get in terms of sine. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Second one is sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b. If there is negative, look at here, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Third one for cos. Cos of a plus b. This cos of a plus b. For cos, cos a cos b. For sine, look at your sine. Sine and cos is coming together. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b. If it is plus, we'll write minus. Minus sine a sine b. Cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. And fourth one, cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b. It is cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. If it is a minus b, first two terms will be cos plus. Okay, instead of, okay, if it is minus, in cos, if it is minus, we write there plus. Next is tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. By 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Sixth one, tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. By 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. The next one, seventh one, cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot b plus cot a. Cot of a plus b is cot of a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. And eighth one is cot of a minus b. Cot of a minus b is cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. By cot b minus cot a. For cot of a minus b, look at here, cot b will come first. Cot b minus cot a. So these are the first 8 formulas. We are learning about the sum and difference formula. Sum and difference. What is sine of a plus b? Alantina, sine of a plus b is?
Sine A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Atulya, sine of a minus b?
Sine A cos B minus cos A sin B.
Yes. Shabarinath, cos of A plus B.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Jewel, cos of A minus B.
Cos.
Okay. Yes, Jewel, we are not able to hear, I think. Repeat it once again. What is cos of A minus?
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Okay. Next. Navrin, tan of A plus B.
Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Yes. Vinayak, tan of A minus B.
Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B.
John Jos, cot of A plus B.
Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A.
Okay. Alan Joffe, cot of A minus B.
Cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A.
Okay. Next. Sanjana. Sanjana, cos of A minus B.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Yes. And Mary, tan of A plus B.
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Yes. Next. Naveen. Naveen, cos of A plus B.
Cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Yes. Okay. Ranil, sin A plus B. Sin of A plus B.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Okay. So okay. All these 8 formulas we have to learn thoroughly. Is it clear? Okay. It's not over. We are going to learn a less set of formulas. Okay. And in this chapter on activities, you have to do the formula booklet, each one of you. That is the activity. Either you can take some color paper. You know how to make a booklet using color papers. Either you can do like this. Okay. Or you can cut the charts, make it. And I want the formula booklet. That is the activity for this trigonometry. So if you start writing from the beginning, it will be okay. Okay. We will be learning around. So now we have learned 8 formulas. After that, we will be learning around again 20 or 25 formulas are there. So what you have to do under each heading. So now here what you have learned is sum and difference. Under sum and difference, we have learned 8 formula. So in the next class, one more period we have. That time, be ready for answering the formulas. Learn it well and get ready. Okay. Now we can do some problems based on this. Okay. Write the question. Find the value of tan 75. Find the value of tan 75. How to do this? How will you find the value of tan 75?
And 45 minus 12.
45 minus. Is it 45 minus? Atulya?
90 minus 50.
90 minus 15. So it is tan of.
45 plus 40.
1 second. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So it is tan of 90 minus 15. Okay. So if it is tan of 90 minus 15, what happens? 90 is there, means tan will become cot. Cot 15. What is cot 15? What is the value of cot 15? We don't know, isn't it? So we know angles for some. Okay, we know the values of some specific angles. 30, 45, 60 and all. Isn't it? So based on this, is it possible to split? We know some trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. 30 we know, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60. Okay, so using these angles, is it possible to split 75? Yes. How will you split? Yes, Niranjan.
45 plus 30.
Yes, it is tan of 45 plus 30. So it takes the form tan of A plus B. It takes the form tan of A plus B. Now what is tan of A plus B, Alan? Alan Joffrey, what is tan of A plus B?
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan.
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. So now here tan of A plus B. So you apply this one, in the place of A we have 45, B we have 30. So it will become tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. What is the value of tan 45? Sanjana, tan 45 is 1. Pooja, tan 30? Pooja.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 by 1 minus, again tan 45, it is 1 by root 3. Now take the LCM in the numerator. When you take the LCM, it will become root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Here once again, if you take the LCM, it is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. So we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Is the method okay? Aman? Is it okay, Aman?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Naveen, is it clear? Naveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next question, write the next one. Find the value of sine 15. Find the value of sine 15. Find the value of sine 15. Sine 15. So how will you write sine 15? How will you write sine 15?
30
Yes. Yes.
30 minus
30 minus 15. Whether we know sine 15 value, do we know sine 15?
no sine 30 is value.
Sine, again check it. Is it sine 35? You want 15 with the known values. Aman. Yes, Rahul. Yes. Jis. Yes, correct, Jis. It is 45 minus 30. Is that no? Is it correct, Roshan? This 45 minus 30. 15 means we can write this as 45 minus 30. So we have to use the identity sine of A minus B. Malavika, what is sine of A minus B?
Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So that is equivalent to, in the place of A, we have 45. So sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. So that is equivalent to, Renil, what is sin 45? Renil. Renil, what is sin 45? What is the value of sin 45? Renil? Value of sin 45. Renil? Are you there, Renil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. What is the value of sin 45?
Root of 2.
Check your value. Okay, we wrote the table and all. Yes or no? Once again, check it. What is the value of sin 45? Yes, Renil. Align. Sin 45 is
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. And cos 30, Anaga? Cos 30,
3 by 2.
root 3 by 2 minus. Again, John Philip, what is cos 45?
1 by root 2.
And sin 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So when you simplify this, we get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Is it correct? Are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now take your textbook, children. All of you take your textbook. Okay. During maths class, always be ready with your textbook. Take your textbook. Exercise 3.3. Page number 73. Page number 73. Okay. So we have only up to exercise 3.3. Next topic is deleted. Trigonometric equations is deleted. Okay. Only this much exercise we have. So now look at here in 3.3. Look at the first question. Read the first question. Samia, read the first question. 3.3, first one. Roman letter. Okay, first one. 3.3, first one. Samia. Okay. And Rahul, read the first question, Rahul.
Ma'am, 3.1.
Yes, 3.3, first one. In 3.3, first question.
Ma'am, prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 2.
Prove is equal to 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2. Okay. So for proving this questions, what you can do? We can start from LHS. What is in LHS? Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square 45. Pi by 4 means 45. So what is sine pi by 6? Sine 30. What is the value of sine 30, Vinayak? Sine pi by 6. 180 by 6 means 30. Sine 30.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos pi by 3. John Joss. Cos pi by 3.
1 by 2.
It is 1 by 2, the whole square, minus. Niranjan, tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4.
1.
1. So it is 1 square, isn't it? So we'll get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So look at here, 1 by 4 means quarter. Quarter plus quarter, what you will get? Is it half? Minus 1. What is half minus 1? Which is minus 1 by 2, isn't it? Half minus 1 means negative half. If you can't do like this, what you can do? You take the LCM and simplify and write. Okay? Is the first one okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one and third one is homework. 2 and 3, mark it as homework. 2 and 3 is homework. We are going to do the fourth one. You completed the previous one? First one, is it over? G's? Where is G's? Yes, okay. Okay, G's. Navaneet? Navaneet is present? Navaneet? Hey, Fahis? Now write the next one. Fourth one. Prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Prove that this is equivalent to 10. So what you will do? You can start from LHS, isn't it? You have to substitute the values. What is sine of 3 pi by 4? So if you don't know the values, first you can find it and then substitute. So what will be sine of 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4, how we can write? It is same as sine pi minus pi by 4. That day whether we discussed this type of question? Sine 3 pi by 4. How we can write? Sine of pi minus pi by 4. Sine of 180 minus theta. What is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta, sine pi by 4. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. Is it okay, Alan? Alan Jofi? Sine 3 pi by 4. How we can write? Pi minus pi by 4. Look at here. If you take the LCM, you will get the same. 4 pi minus pi, which is 3 pi by 4. So it is 3 pi by 4 means we are writing that as pi minus pi by 4. And what is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So it is sine pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. I think the remaining and all we know. So you can directly substitute. So LHS is equal to 2 into sine square of 3 pi by 4. So 1 by root 2, the whole square. Plus 2 into cos square pi by 4. What will be cos square pi by 4? What is cos 45? Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2, the whole square. Plus 2 into sec square pi by 3. What is sec square pi by 3? What is sec square pi by 3? What is cos pi by 3? And Mary, what is cos pi by 3? What is cos pi by 3? Pi is 180. 180 by 3. Yes, what is cos pi by 3?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So if you take sec, it will become 2, isn't it? The whole square. So it will become 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 8. So this 2 will get cancelled. So it is same as 1 plus 1 plus 8, which is equal to 10. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. Okay. Is it clear? So now 2 and 3 is homework. Okay. Again, note down. 5th one, both the subdivisions are homework. 5th one, both the subdivisions are homework. Okay. Now shall we do the next one, 6th one? Shall we do the 6th one? Write the question. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x. Cos pi by 4 minus x. Cos pi by 4 minus y. Minus sine pi by 4 minus x into sine pi by 4 minus y equal to sine of x plus y. We have to prove this is equivalent to sine of x plus y. How to do this? Yes. How will you prove this? How to prove this one? So we can take this as, what we can do? We start from LHS, isn't it? We can start from LHS. We have to prove that is equivalent to RHS. So what we can do? Suppose this pi by 4, pi by x, pi by 4 minus x, you take it as a. And this pi by 4 minus y, look at that, same angle is repeated. So pi by 4 minus y, you take it as b. So in which form you have the formula here? What is the form? Yes, if you put pi by 4 minus x as a and pi by 4 minus y as b, it takes the form? It takes the form?
Cos x cos y minus sin x sin b.
Yes, it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, isn't it? What is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b? Align. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Align.
Cos a plus b.
It is cos of a plus b. Okay, which is cos of, in the place of a, what we have? Pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. So that is cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 45 plus 45. It is 90 minus x minus y. We can write this as cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Now, what is cos of 90 minus theta? What is cos of 90 minus theta? Which is sine theta. So we can write this as sine of x plus y, which is equivalent to RHS. We start from LHS. Okay, pi by 4 minus x, you take it as a. Okay, you'll go through the expression given there. When you go through the expression, you can understand pi by 4 minus x is repeated. Similarly, pi by 4 minus y is repeated. So you take pi by 4 minus x as a and pi by 4 minus y as b. So when you substitute like this, it takes the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is cos of A plus B. So substitute it, simplify, and check whether you are getting the required results. Is it okay, children? Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
Anaga,
Yes, ma'am.
Roshan? That method, are you able to identify this? Is it okay? Any doubts? Jees,
Yes, ma'am.
Navaneet is present today? No. You copied it, Atulya?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show it. Okay. Yes, children, when you copy it, please tell me. Okay, I'll mark the attendance. Doing some problems based on these identities, these 8 identities. Okay, so learn the identity and come. I hope you completed this one. You copied that part. Okay. Meet you in the next period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.